This is AI video editing tool number 3. This is Vyond, vyond.com. You can set up a free 14-day trial. And I think within the free trial, you can make 3 videos a day, something like that. So check this out. This is for infographics type of videos. So you go to create with AI, and then you type in your key points and keynotes. Think of a company we can make a video about. All right, so we're going to create an introductory video for a relocation company. Easy framework you can use is E3C. E stands for empathize with your audience. 3 is just 3 bullet points, and C is your call to action. So you don't actually have to write a full script like I have. It can make up its own script. So then you pick a layout. So you can go conversation. So it's like 2 people talking to each other. Bit cheese, I find that. A talking head, or you can go narration. Let's pick talking head. I'm just going to pick open office. Then I'm going to press create video, just time how long this is going to take, okay? Let's have a look.
Relocating can be daunting and stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Let me introduce you to ABC. We're a corporate relocations company in Asia Pacific. Our focus is on tailored solutions that make relocation seamless and stress-free. We can arrange everything from visas to schools and even bespoke cultural integration programs. Our goal is to ensure a smooth and even fun transition for employees and their families. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what our satisfied clients have to say about their relocation experience with ABC. So, if you're relocating to Asia Pacific, contact us at abc@gmail.com. Discover how we can make your relocation seamless and stress-free.
Look, for a few seconds of work, that is not too bad. At least it makes sense and it has a flow, so it's a good starting point if nothing else, right? So then you press edit video. If you want to make changes, you just click on a scene. It's like editing PowerPoint. If you can edit with PowerPoint, you can edit Vyond. Then let's say we want to change that character. We just literally right click and press replace like you would with PowerPoint. Change it to government person. Oh, there you go. So we want to change the background. We want it to be a different office. You can change it like that. It takes seconds, right? Or you want to try out maybe a pattern. It's great for internal, like onboarding, training, things like that. The other way I'd use it is to actually make custom videos. So if you've met with a client, the next day, send them a video. Don't send them your deck. In the script, say, "Hi, Helen. Great meeting you yesterday. Here's some draft numbers and a basic timeline for the project that we were talking about. Enjoy." And it's just amazing the reaction that you get. You'll be memorable if nothing else, right? So there you go, Vyond.